Get the buggy. Oh.
She disappeared.
Junior!
No. Ready, go! Hi, Codico. Hi, buddy.
Really tactical stuff and guns.
I didn't even want to see Transport because it wasn't Jason Statham, but...
Stop doing it! I totally did. Wait for it. There it goes. Casper, what's that?
You getting this?
I can't beat the no.
Why'd you arch your back like that, cat?
Oh.
这是家里目前最火的猫窝。这个他俩竞争有1年了，就为它。
Yes, I see you. I see you. What are you doing? Crazy cat? Look at you. What have you done? Again with the toilet paper? That was a brand new roll.
No, 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 no.
Ooh, Fuma's got put down. It's good stuff.
so I put this mask on Sylvester. Watch this. Spencer, I'm sorry.
You're catnip, Milo.
Oh, that's so funny.
Gucci, show us how you do that. Yes.
You are a big
You're a
kitty.
little booger.
What are you doing?
Candy.
Candy, are you rolling it back up?
Yeah.
Thank you. Play with her.
Look at him.
Luna, why you sound like a fat cat? Be good, Mason. You're being such a good boy. Just wait. Does someone else want your cookie?
Who wants a dog biscuit? Huh? Who wants one? Is it you? Do you want one? All right, good boy.
Why is the kitty cat in the big bed and you're in the little bed? What's Jasper doing, Zoe?
I can't reach it. Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
What's the matter, Snoop? They just won't get out of your bowl, huh?
Blue eyes.
No, 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 no.
You love Mama? Is Mama a brat? Is Mama the best? Have you been a good boy?
Merlin wins.
Hello. What are you doing?
You are too fresh. Will you stop? What are you, a dog? Huh? Are you a dog?
You can't help but to laugh. You're not cleaning it up.
Hey, Mr. Boy, I got one.
She's literally unrolling the whole thing. Let's go for a walk.
Yeah. Come on, back up.